She's gonna line her lips.
Back up, it's okay. Get this with you.
So as you see, there's a clear spot above your lips that you can't see. It's just there matching with your skin color. Alright, she's gonna finish through the rest. This is how it looks like right now. So she's gonna finish the rest. Okay, we're back. And she is. So the liner looks like this. It went over your clear lines. I don't know if you can see it, but it's clear lines right there.
I think you have to put
red
this on your lip, then put it.
So she's gonna put red.
Yeah. So put red.
So she's gonna try 2 of them on at the same
Time. Okay,
So she's gonna do the first one. So yeah, here's her process. This is the final process. And this one is the lip gloss.
The matte lip gloss.
And these are from LA.
LA colors. Oh. LA colors.
So yeah.
Let's put on the second
layer. You should do that first. Here's the second process.
It's kind of a mess because it's like too much. This has like a lot of like color and it makes it a lot cute.
Process, fabulous, good. Work it. Yes, model, working. Let's go. It all day. Perfect. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Hey, you know the London look. Oh my gosh. So you seen all that modeling, should do London look.
Okay, now I'm gonna wipe it. No, I'm gonna wait until she's done, then we'll compare. So let's get right into it.
Colors.
She's gonna do those colors.
And it's the London Color Lip Gloss MAC. And these are really cool, so you should go test them out. First one.
You forgot to put a liner.
No, I don't need a liner. So this is what it looks like right now. Yes. Next one. The lip gloss. The lip gloss. Stupid pause. Alright. The lip gloss. Alright. That's what it looks like right now. Still looks the same as my regular lips, but you know, suppose. Bruh. What? This thing really dries, you know that, like.
Oh, well, not mine's.
Oh, a few of it is dry. Under here, it's not, because it's.
What?
So, guys, this is not coming off. Only comes off a little bit, but still goes a mess around your lips. I don't know if you can see mine's, but yeah, it's like a whole bunch right here. And you know how red is.
Not funny.
So as you can tell, the red back there, you need some soap and something to scrub too hard with.
Still.
I'm trying it in red next. She's trying my color that I just had on my lips. The red's done. So finally she's done back there.
It's not really, but my lips are these colors.
Alright, so let's get started to the next one. Today we're not going to keep fast forwarding it because I feel like this is going to go quicker. So, she's going to do hers and I'm going to do mine. I actually kind of like these colors.